Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to unpublish a Facebook page. So firstly, you have to log into your Facebook page. Then you have to click on this account option. This is your Facebook page, not your normal Facebook account. You have to log into your Facebook page. You have to click on this. Then you'll find here your Facebook page name and your Facebook uh, normal Facebook account name. You have to click on the Facebook page name, then it will switch to your Facebook account to your Facebook page account. Then you have to click on this drop down menu. You can see here, right, the drop down menu. Click on this and scroll down. Then you'll find here settings and privacy. Click on this settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now scroll down and you will find here your information section. Under this your information section, you have to click on access and control. Click on this and you have to deactivate the account. If you want to unpublish the Facebook page, the only way is you have to deactivate your Facebook account. Now choose the deactivate one and click on continue. Now you have to put here your Facebook password, then continue again. Now you have to choose a reason why you want to unpublish or deactivate your Facebook account. Like this, you can cancel and you have to click on deactivate. After click on deactivate, if you click on deactivate now, your Facebook will be your Facebook page will be deactivated or unpublished. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.